Can China's green tech really dethrone oil as the world's energy king in the next 10 years? What if the rise of solar panels, wind turbines, and quantum-powered batteries could make oil obsolete? China is already leading the global green energy race with groundbreaking solar panel technology that covers entire deserts. Yes, entire deserts. Imagine the scale of solar farms sprawling across China's Gobi Desert, transforming barren land into clean energy gold mines. China is on the verge of turning its wind farms into colossal sky-high energy sources that could literally harvest wind at extreme altitudes. The country's biggest wind farm has 1,000 turbines generating enough electricity to power millions of homes. And then there's the AI-powered grid, an intelligent energy distribution system that learns and adapts in real time. This isn't just the future, it's now. In 2024 alone, China invested a jaw-dropping $100 billion into green tech, surpassing oil-rich nations' annual revenue. It's as if China is silently setting up its own energy monopoly that could eclipse the fossil fuel industry. What does this mean for oil? Is this the death knell for an industry that's been at the top for over a century? Possibly. With the nation's relentless push for innovation, green tech could surpass oil. But here's the shocking part. China is already exporting its energy solutions worldwide, rapidly expanding its influence. The country has created an ecosystem where oil's future is being rewritten. By 2030, experts predict China will control 40% of the global solar panel market. The next 10 years will reveal whether green tech truly has the power to topple oil. In the end, what's truly mind-boggling is that China is already rewriting the future of energy without anyone realizing it.